If you are looking to impress your guests with a bold and beautiful centerpiece, look no further. Our reversible riser centerpieces are exactly what you need. These striking centerpieces are user-friendly and accommodating for a variety of floral arrangements and flower bouquets. They can be used for weddings, dinner parties, anniversaries, or any special event. In this tutorial, we'll show you how you can easily assemble your riser in 5 easy steps. Let's begin. You'll need 2 trumpet vase pieces, 1 center connector sphere, 1 long connector screw, 2 nuts, and 2 circular washer discs. Step 1. Start by adding one of the washers to the end of the connector screw and adding one of the nuts behind it to keep it in place. Step 2. Pull the connector screw through the wide opening of one of the trumpet pieces, causing the washer disc to fall into place at the narrow part of the trumpet. Step 3. Lay the trumpet piece on its side while holding the connector screw in place from the inside and pull the sphere piece all the way through the connector while keeping the washer disc secure inside of the trumpet piece. Note, it might be easier to complete this step with an additional person holding the washer in place. Step 4. Push the narrow end of the second trumpet piece through the connector screw until the sphere is tightly sandwiched between the 2 pieces. Step 5. Place the last washer disc through the connector and pull it all the way down the narrow end of the vase. Secure it with a nut until everything is tightly in place. And done! Now that your riser is set up, you're ready to decorate. You can use fresh or faux flowers to decorate your riser with endless styling possibilities. Our riser centerpieces come in gold, rose gold, and silver. You can find a link to all our reversible risers in the description below. How would you like to style these vase centerpieces? Let us know in the comments. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!